In oocytes of some vertebrates, the diplotin can last for months or years. Reason: the final stage of meiotic prophase is diakinesis. Right. Assertion: variations are very important for the process of evolution. Reason: most of the organelle duplication occur in G1 phase of cell cycle. Right. Assertion: liquid endosperm in coconut is multinucleated. Reason: karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis. Right. Assertion: karyokinesis occurs in S phase. Reason: cell division stops. Right. Assertion: interphase is the resting stage. Reason: the interphase cell is metabolically inactive. Right. Assertion: DNA synthesis occurs in G and G periods of cell cycle. Reason: right. Assertion: mitosis maintains the genetic similarity of somatic cells. Reason: chromosomes do not undergo crossing over. A. If both the assertion B. If both. Right. Assertion: chiasmata is formed during diplotin. Reason: chiasmata are formed due to the deposition of nucleoproteins. A. If both the assertion and the. Right. Assertion: during zygote, chromosomes show bivalent stage. Reason: bivalent is half the number of chromosomes. Right. Assertion: meiosis takes place in pollen mother cells. Reason: each pollen mother cell produces 4 haploid pollen grains. A. If both the assertion and the reason are true. Right. Assertion: meiotic division results in the production of haploid cells. Reason: synapsis occurs during zygote of meiosis. A. If both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason. Right.